to another video. I'm Korenn Rachelle and I am transitioning to a healthier, alkaline vegan. And as a result of said transition, I have a playlist, a Caribbean alkaline vegan playlist. For this first recipe, it is a Jamaican curry goat. The trick, my friends, is mushrooms. Not any mushrooms, but porcini mushrooms. Until you paint it black. Porcini mushrooms have this very wild, gamey flavor that can easily be substituted for that wild, gamey flavor of lamb or goat. Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come I previously had access to king oyster mushrooms, like as many as my hands could hold. But now that I'm back down here in Miami, they are not as readily available, so I do have to use regular oyster mushrooms. So I use regular oyster mushrooms and I just pull them apart. As you can see, it's really self-explanatory. You can use a knife, but I find that the texture becomes more meat-like if you pull it apart or shred it. For this mock meat, I do use rehydrated chickpeas, and this is just regular dried chickpeas. You can get a bag for a 16-ounce bag from Whole Foods for about $3. You can also find them at Publix. Rehydrate them, don't cook them. After they're nice and rehydrated, anywhere from 4 to 6 hours. Put them in a food processor or in a blender and chop them up until they're nice and small and they're ready to go. It won't fade until you paint it black. I let it burn, you call the fire brigade, but I feel that it will come back. Oh, where does it come from? You by no means have to use rice paper because it does not fall on that electric food list. That's the only exception, but everything else falls perfectly on the list. Does it come from? Just look at the state we're in. different aromatics, the herbs, your garlic. Make sure you save the rehydrating liquid from the porcini mushrooms to add into the pot when you cook your mock goat. You enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Before you leave, make sure you go over and check out my Instagram account and go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I would love to see your food pictures, so make sure you tag me in any of your vegan food pictures, and check out some of my other videos. I have a couple linked in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share it, and I will see you next time.